Place cameras so they only see your property lines while covering multiple angles across a tight urban infill lot. When you have narrow setbacks, use angled wall mounts set to skirt the edge of your parcel, so cameras capture driveways, side yards, and access gates without pointing at the public sidewalk. Mounting cameras higher under eaves or soffits increases sight lines and lets a single camera cover more ground because height reduces occlusion from fences and shrubs. Choose varifocal lenses so you can narrow or widen the field of view on site. Start wide for alignment, then tighten until only your property is visible. Use precise pan-tilt adjustments and test by walking the perimeter at the camera height to confirm no public way or neighbor window is included. Apply privacy masking in the camera firmware to black out neighboring windows and adjacent private areas that you must not record. Masks should be set conservatively and validated from multiple angles. Finally, select weather-rated housings and tamper-resistant fasteners because tight lots increase reachability and you want equipment that resists casual interference. Common mistakes include pointing cameras too low so they capture sidewalks and neighbor windows, which you can fix by raising the mounting height and angling the lens inward toward your boundary. Another frequent issue is using wide fixed lenses that encompass public way footage, so switch to varifocal units and adjust the focal length on site until only your legal property is framed. People also omit privacy masking and end up recording neighboring living spaces, so enable and verify masking features and document mask positions so they remain consistent after any realignment. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who can implement tight lot camera placements and other urban security upgrades while letting contractors find nearby work opportunities. We also host an active discussion community where we share real-world tips on placement, regulatory concerns, and vendor recommendations.